In this video, we explore how Stoic philosophy can help us understand rejection as a transformative force. Our aim is to show how rejection, rather than being a source of discouragement, can be viewed as an opportunity for growth and resilience. By reframing setbacks as integral parts of the journey to success, we learn that rejection is not the end, but a stepping stone toward greatness. Adopting this mindset allows us to see challenges as valuable lessons. Drawing on the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, we'll dive into how inner strength and perspective can empower us. Together, we will uncover practical strategies to turn rejection into a powerful tool for self-improvement and future achievements. Join us as we navigate this important topic and unlock the hidden potential within rejection. Maintaining composure in the face of rejection is critical for growth. It's important to affirm your self-worth by not letting the opinions of others define you. Instead of seeking approval, focus on your personal goals and activities that enrich your life. This shift in focus enhances your sense of purpose and well-being. Self-respect and emotional maturity are key to overcoming rejection, helping you preserve your confidence and dignity. Remember, rejection reflects someone else's viewpoint, not your value. Stay focused on your journey, keep pursuing your aspirations, and let your self-worth shine regardless of others' opinions. A Stoic approach to handling rejection encourages calmness and rational thinking instead of reacting impulsively. Stoicism teaches us to take a step back, reflect, and avoid letting emotions take control. Self-reflection is key. Focusing on your own actions and responses allows you to see what really matters. While we can't control others' opinions, we can control how we react. Acknowledging your emotions without being ruled by them allows for healthier processing and personal growth. By embracing this mindset, you empower yourself to approach rejection with grace, turning it into an opportunity for resilience and emotional strength. Teaching the art of detachment from rejection is crucial for developing resilience. First, it's important to recognize rejection without letting it dominate your thoughts. Accepting that rejection is a normal part of life lessens its emotional impact. Instead of focusing on the negative, engage in activities that bring joy and growth, such as learning new skills or spending time with supportive communities. These pursuits not only shift your focus, but also reinforce your sense of self-worth. Remember, rejection can be a valuable learning experience that helps you discover your strengths and areas for improvement. By adopting this view, rejection becomes a stepping stone to greater self-awareness and fulfillment. Developing resilience in response to rejection is essential for personal progress. Instead of dwelling on rejection, channel your energy into constructive actions. This proactive approach empowers you and helps alleviate the pain of setbacks. Rejection isn't a measure of your worth, but a redirection to new opportunities. By reframing rejection as a moment of growth, you can maintain a positive attitude and stay motivated. Every rejection can set the stage for a future comeback, reinforcing that each setback is preparing you for success. Building resilience strengthens your character and helps you handle life's challenges, leading to greater fulfillment. Strategically embracing silence after rejection can be incredibly empowering. Silence gives you the space to reflect and reaffirm your self-worth without outside influence. It allows for deep personal reflection, offering clarity and insight into your feelings. Silence helps prioritize your inner peace over seeking external validation. By stepping back and embracing quiet reflection, you reconnect with your inner strength and resilience. In the end, silence fosters emotional maturity, enabling you to navigate rejection with dignity while reinforcing your self-confidence. Using rejection as motivation for self-improvement is a powerful tool. Rather than letting rejection bring you down, turn it into a catalyst for growth. Focus on improving yourself not for others' approval, but for your own fulfillment. This shift fosters deeper satisfaction and purpose. When your growth is self-driven, your commitment to excellence shines. Rejection, when embraced, becomes the fuel that drives you toward greatness. Let it inspire you to strive for personal betterment, leading to a richer and more fulfilling life journey. Seeking happiness even in the face of rejection is essential for maintaining a positive outlook. Remind yourself that rejection is temporary and life has many more opportunities. Focus on the joyful aspects of life, pursue passions, and strengthen your connections with others. Rejection is only a small hurdle, and every setback can lead to new and better chances. By finding joy and maintaining resilience, you enrich your journey and enhance your well-being, allowing you to face rejection with a smile. Building meaningful relationships and engaging with your community are essential for personal growth. By focusing on connections that nourish you, you create a supportive network that encourages resilience. Engage in activities that uplift others and contribute to a greater cause, which in turn enhances your sense of purpose. Striving for personal excellence not only improves your own life, but also sets a positive example for those around you, fostering a community of growth and mutual support. Balancing kindness with emotional boundaries is key to healthy relationships. Treat others with respect and compassion, but also protect your emotional well-being by setting boundaries. Offering kindness without expecting anything in return reflects true strength. When you master this balance, you nurture meaningful relationships while maintaining inner peace. This harmony empowers you to engage with others meaningfully without sacrificing your emotional health. To conclude, rejection, though difficult, can serve as a springboard for growth. Through Stoic principles of composure, self-reflection, and resilience, rejection becomes a valuable teacher. Applying these strategies in life can lead to deeper self-awareness, stronger emotional resilience, and greater fulfillment. If this message resonates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful discussions. Let's continue building a community that turns rejection into empowerment and growth. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.